Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear your browsing history in the DuckDuckGo app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the DuckDuckGo app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, look for a fire icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. The fire icon is usually a button that's used to clear your browsing history and data. A message will appear asking if you want to clear your browsing data. Tap Clear Data and tap to confirm. Once you do this, DuckDuckGo will immediately clear your browsing history, open tabs, caches, and cookies. After clearing, all open pages will close and the app will return to a fresh start screen. This means your history has been successfully cleared. If you want DuckDuckGo to clear your history automatically, every time you close the app, tap the three dot or menu, then go to Settings, look for Fire button Settings or Automatically Clear Data and turn it on. This way, DuckDuckGo will always clear your history for you, helping keep your browsing private. And that's it. You have successfully cleared your browsing history in DuckDuckGo on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.